Hello everyone, how can you increase your earning on Google AdSense? I'm going to teach you how you can do that. So we are going to go to our AdSense, click add, click by add unit. Make sure you select the responsive that are recommended. You see this one is recommended, so you make sure you use this one. Okay, make sure you use this one. Even Google recommend you to use this one. Okay, so we are going to do this. I'm gonna copy the code from here, copy the code, go to your page, make sure you add this code everywhere on your page or website. The more you add, the more you got a chance from getting click on this ad. I'm gonna put one here. You look for HTML like this, gonna paste it like this, HTML, and then you paste it. You can add another one here. I know some people will say don't add too much, but this is not against Google policy. You can add another one here. Okay, now I'm going to add this one they call matched content. I'm gonna call it AMP matched content. That's like this content. Save, get the code. You can add this one the last page and then your last page. As you can see, so I got one ad here. I'm going to put another one here. HTML like this. So this is how you add a Google AdSense code on your pages. Make sure you add it as much as you can, and then you will see an increasing on your earning on AdSense. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching it. Ciao.